Sniffles, what are you doing? Oh, Natalie, sweetheart, you're a beautiful girl in my life.
Well, Sniffles, you're a sweet anteater.
Natalie, I love you. I love you too, Sniffles. Guys, that's gross. I'm gonna go find someone else to read.
Am I aware that any other stuff fits? I'm out of here.